Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves driving smarter, staying more comfortable, and being prepared for anything on the road, then you're going to love this video. Today, we're diving into 5 must-have car gadgets that every car owner needs. These tools are practical, smart, and designed to make driving not just easier, but a whole lot more enjoyable. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Marine Searchlight. If you've ever driven or boated in the dark, you know how crucial good lighting is. The Marine Searchlight is a beast in compact form. With 50 watts high-intensity LEDs, this remote-controlled spotlight delivers 200 to 500 meters of visibility. That's perfect for off-road driving, nighttime towing, or marine use. This light rotates 360 degrees and tilts remotely with a wireless controller that works up to 50 meters away. It's fully waterproof, shockproof, and designed with an IP67 die-cast aluminum housing for extreme environments. Mount it magnetically, plug it into a 12V or 24V source, and enjoy crisp white 6000K beam light. This thing is bright, tough, and reliable, and it's a must for anyone who needs visibility in rugged situations. Number 4, Copy Remote Control. This tiny gadget is a lifesaver if you've ever needed a duplicate garage remote or gate opener. The Copy Remote Control by Kebidu works with most fixed code remotes using the 433 MHz frequency, allowing you to clone up to 4 channels from your original remote. It's ideal for duplicating remotes used for electric gates, telescopic doors, alarms, and garage systems. With a range of 50 to 150 meters, it's reliable and effective. The design is compact and simple, but the cloning technology inside is powerful. Just follow the easy clear copy restore steps, and you'll have a working duplicate in minutes. Say goodbye to remote sharing hassles or expensive replacements. Number 3, Battery Repair Tool. The Battery Repair Tool by Conway is like a Swiss Army knife for car batteries. It's a battery charger, pulse repair tool, tester, and maintenance device all in one. If your battery is weak or has sulfation damage, this tool can restore and prolong its life. It supports wet, dry, AGM, gel, and lead-acid batteries, and it features 5 intelligent protections for worry-free use. With an easy-to-read 2.4-inch LCD, clear language options, and simple button operation, even beginners can test and repair their battery at home. If you've ever been stranded with a dead battery or paid too much for replacements, this device can save you money and stress in the long run. Number 2, Quick Charge Charger. Your phone deserves better than a slow charge, and the Quick Charge Charger from Basis is here to deliver. With dual QC 3.0 and PD 3.0 USB ports, this compact powerhouse pushes 45 watts of charging power to your iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, or other devices. It supports all the major fast charge protocols, QC, PD, SCP, FCP, AFC, and more. So no matter what device you plug in, you're getting top-tier speed. The body is sleek and durable with ABS plus PC material, and it comes with essential certifications like FCC, RoHS, and CCC. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, this charger will keep all your devices powered up fast. Number 1, Car Seat Cover. Comfort meets style with the car seat cover from AutoRound. Made with artificial rabbit fur, this plush cover is a dream for those cold autumn and winter drives. It's designed to fit universally and provide maximum warmth and protection for your seats. The luxurious feel adds instant elegance to any interior, and it's available in multiple colors like black, beige, white, and even red. Durable, easy to install, and machine washable. It's more than just a cover. It's a lifestyle upgrade. If you've been looking to add warmth and style to your ride, this is the softest way to do it. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.